What's happening with you? Key still won't go in it? See if it'll work now. Nothing? You see it? You don't mind? You got the key in there already?
What you did?
Steering wheel was locked, bro.
The only thing that could happen is the steering wheel.
Wiggle the steering wheel. The battery ain't bad either, so you ain't got to replace the battery. If I just want to buy a battery, because I mean you're gonna have to buy it if I want got the battery, you're gonna have to purchase it. So I ain't want to just stick you out there like that. Huh? Nah, I got some pictures. I got some pictures. We good. All right.